Hello parents, welcome to our 2021 virtual open house. I'm Mr. Herrera, principal at Jackson Elementary. I'm so glad you were able to join us. Enjoy.
Jackson parents, I want to take this opportunity to introduce to you guys some of our amazing key players here at Jackson Elementary. While you might be familiar with all of our general education teachers and our interventionists, there are some faces that you might not recognize, but you have surely heard their voices over the phone. As always, all of our amazing staff is here to support you, to help you, to answer any questions, so please feel free to reach out to us. We hope that with this video, you're able to put a face to the name as you reach out for our assistance. Thank you so much for your attention. And that is a wrap. This is Mrs. Rodriguez, Assistant Principal at Jackson Elementary. We are so excited that you were able to join us tonight for our 2021 open house here at Jackson Elementary. We look forward to seeing you back next year with your families. We can't wait to have you back at our campus next year. Thank you.